Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new on my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share the video. Guys, so let's start. Guys, today we are going to draw the cat in the very simple way. Before that, just draw the circle with the help of whatever the things you have with you. One small circle which is attached with the big circle, our whole set. Connect the line here, the big circle is ready. Just keep in mind, just one small circle and one big circle which is added to each other. Just observe carefully, it's very easy. And here in the small circle we are going to draw the another 3 small circles. Observe carefully, here is a 3 small circles and we have to unfill them. So it is the eyes of cat. Just I am filling the pupil size. It is another circle. The nose is ready. Let's see, your cat is smiling at you and the very cute face is ready. And here is a triangle, small triangle. Ears. Just make some finish line. It is not necessary, just I am doing that. Guys, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe, do like, share the video. Here is the tail, just yes, English capital like structure, yes. And here is again 0 0 and 0. I am filling with the lining. Here is just keep the 3 lines. D, look at your leg is ready. Just draw the straight line and close. Here also the same way. Almost cat is ready. How is the cat? Look at the cat, very cute looking cat and which is smiling at you. Just keep in mind, just observe carefully and try to draw. It's very simple drawing. Hope you guys like it. And guys, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe channel for more videos. And if you are facing any query regarding the simple drawing, so post in the comment box will be solved soon. Here is almost our cat is done. And guys, thank you for watching. We'll meet you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.